vivid.
Welcome back, Spencer fam. It's your girl Fallon. I'm here today with another video. Today I will be unboxing Nefeteri'S by Nerissa. And as always, my reviews are raw and authentic. Can I just say, when she hit me up saying that she's chosen me to do this video for her for the unboxing, I was almost starstruck. This is somebody who I follow. One of the few pages that I really enjoy on Instagram. This lady is phenomenal. Not only does she do makeup products, she also does feminine hygiene products. She's recently become a doula. She's all about women empowerment, positivity, family, healthy sex life, healthy life in general. You gotta check her out. I'll go ahead and link her Instagram in the description of this video, so make sure at the end of the video you check that out. Follow her and let her know your girl Fallon sent you. Before we get into it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Comment down below which product was your favorite and what you're gonna test out. Go ahead and tag me when you do. So right now I basically have a bare face, a basic makeup face. I have on light foundation, eyeliner, a little bit of filling in the brows with the pencil, and that's it. I'm going to paint my face with Nefeteri'S by Nerissa. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, remember these are raw, genuine emotions. It's the first time that I'm seeing them out of the box. This is called Shimmer and Shine. All right, I'm gonna be using my finger here to put this on. I think I found myself a new fave. So this is with the shimmer, and this is without. You can definitely see that difference. Definitely shimmery. I feel like you can even use it here on your chest if you want. Body glitter. Now this palette, look at the artwork, or look at it. Wow. All different type of colors here. So I feel like these are on the warm side, but you also have your neutrals, fall, autumn, winter, but you also have really light colors for summer. So I feel like it's a mixture of everything in this palette. I have my angle brush that is from MAC. Sun Goddess highlight palettes. And under your eye, just so you can see. Ooh, so we have a second palette. It's the Earth palette. So you can I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video, Nefeteri'S by Nerissa. I will link her in the description. Go ahead and check her out. Comment below which was your fave. If you like the highlight palettes, the Lippies, which lippy. You already know which one was my fave, and that is going to be Beach. So I thought my favorite was Mobay, which was my favorite. But this is my new fave. I love a nude. And this is like a nude with a hint of pink. It'll probably come out different when I haven't tried on so many lipsticks. CocoPuff is definitely chocolatey.
Yeah, like from the living.